Stop right there! Before you drop cash on a mic that makes your VTuber setup all wonky. Don't let bulky microphones mess up your mouth tracking or take over your screen space. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned VTuber, I'm here to help you pick the perfect mic that'll keep you sounding crisp without getting in the way of your avatar's trekking. When it comes to VTubing, your microphone is one of the most crucial pieces of gear. Before you drop cash on a new mic, make sure it's the right one for your VTuber setup. You don't want to drop views because of crummy audio, do you? But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right mic for you? Well, today I'm going to break it down and show you the top 5 microphones in each category that are best for professional level VTubing in 2024. These pro-level microphones will ensure your audio is on point without compromising your VTuber model's movements. Are you ready to level up your setup? Let's dive in! Your VTuber model's mouth tracking can rely on one of two things, depending on your rig. The most common input is mouth tracking via your webcam or iPhone. The other is a bit new, and it's based on clear audio input, tracking each syllable you speak. Both require the right type of microphone. And a huge microphone right in front of your face can mess with your avatar's tracking, making your movements look stiff and unnatural, while a cheap microphone can make your audio quality or syllable tracking go on the fritz. Choosing the right microphone can keep your model dynamic and expressive, while still delivering top-notch audio to your audience. Dynamic versus condenser mics for VTubing. The type of microphone you choose matters. Dynamic mics are great for rejecting background noise and making them perfect for busy environments if you have a lot of movement or airflow around you while streaming. On the other hand, condenser mics are known for capturing more details, which can make your voice sound richer and full and is perfect for ASMR. But they may also pick up unwanted background noise, which I suppose is fine if you've got the right kind of studio. It all depends on you and what you want. Now let's look at the top 5 best microphones for VTubing in 2024. Keep in mind that these are professional level microphones, and even the more budget-friendly ones are still over $100. But if you've already invested in a stunning VTuber model, then don't debut without one of these. It is worth the investment. First up, best in price. The Shure MV7X XLR. This mic is perfect for beginners looking to get a professional sound without breaking the bank. It's an XLR microphone, which means you'll need an audio interface. But that also means the sound quality is top-notch and it's built to last. Plus, its compact size means it won't take over your screen space, and if you place it just right, it shouldn't mess with your avatar's tracking either. 2. Best all around. Another mic from Shure. If you're ready to go pro, then the Shure SM7DB is a game changer. I've been wanting to get myself this one for a long time. This dynamic mic comes with a built-in preamp, which is perfect for shy little beans with small voices. The preamp also makes it super powerful, so when you place it far away from your face, it'll still pick up every syllable. That means no more bulky mic blocking your face from your VTuber model's tracking. It is the #1 desk microphone that I recommend most to people because it picks up your voice so well without needing to be close to you. Next up, we have the Razer Blackshark V2 Wireless. Yep, this is the best headphone mic that I could find. That's right, I said headphones. The 2023 edition has a surprisingly good microphone for a gamer's headset. Plus, it's wireless, so you can move around freely while using your VTuber and streaming. This gives you a lot of flexibility, while also giving you a clean, clutter-free gaming setup. Number 4, best for ease of use, the Elgato Wave 3. Looking for an easy plug-and-play USB mic? Well, the Elgato Wave 3 is a solid choice. It's a condenser mic, so your voice will come through with incredible clarity. Plus, it comes with a free mixer software that makes managing your audio a breeze. Whether you're streaming, podcasting, or gaming, this mic has you covered without needing a bunch of extra gear. And finally, number 5. Last but definitely not least, the AKG Pro Audio C414XL-II. Wow, that's a lot. This mic is the go-to for VTubers from Hololive, which is why I wanted to share it with you today, Hololive being the biggest VTuber company in the world. It's a condenser microphone with multiple polar patterns, so you can customize your sound to your environment. Pretty neat. It is an absolute beast, crushing the competition in all categories. But oh boy, is he an expensive little guy. But hey, if you want to sound like the pros, this is the mic that'll do it. Whichever mic you choose, be it one of these professional level microphones or a budget-friendly one just to get you started, here are some tips to make sure that your setup is the best that it can be. Make sure you look for a mic that is compact. Gone are the days with gigantic microphones dominating your entire workspace. We need our cameras to see our mouths because a VTuber's mouth is the most important part of the model. If you're doing a lot of high-speed gaming, you'll also need to consider your desk space so that you can optimize results when gaming in an arena. You can't have a microphone in the way, smacking it around when you're trying to shoot headshots, yo. A boom arm can come in handy, but remember, they can also cover your face, and that's not great for VTubing. For best results on any mic though, be sure to test the filters in your streaming software. OBS in particular has amazing filters to help any microphone in a pinch. I have personally been incredibly impressed by the OBS filters, enhancing my personal microphone to a point where I think that it's good enough for now, until I save up for that Shure mic. Looking at you, pretty boy. But I understand that we can't all buy professional level microphones. I just wanted to tell you because I haven't seen anyone else talking about it. They all talk about good beginner mics, but nobody talks about the downsides of a beginner mic. I have a beginner mic. It was affordable, and it sounds fine, but it blocks my mouth. And I really don't like that, because I rigged this VTuber, and I don't get half as much tracking as I'd like out of it, just because of this giant black fuzzball in front of my face. So, I hope this did help. And those are the top professional level mics in VTubing to keep your setup slick and your audio sharp in 2024. Did any of them surprise you? Some surprised me. And do you have any questions about microphones or VTuber setup in general? Go ahead and drop some comments. I would be happy to help. But that is all for now, strangers. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for new videos every Wednesday. Thank you for observing. And until you climb aboard the mothership again, stay strange. Bitsy beaming back up. Ha.